Good evening, my dear friends. Khanani bagai kaisano short and simple message tonglai. Please maintain peace. Peace maintain khanani sob theke important because we the indigenous people of Tripura we don't support violence. Chung agini sibina peace loving chini culture chini tradition buini sai different. Chung peace maintain khayu. Party ni different ideologies tongi manu, toni different nahar mung tongi manu. But every political party, every leader, every supporter, we should respect each other. Abnu khanani message, please maintain peace.
Chomari faikanga gitu kebangma tengrung bodor lo batai layu hai keba khanano serai ngi thanai sabo ba keplai nai sabo chenai abnu tui keplai ke chana tui tamu message namu chong je candidate tongai rogno
candidate tongai rogno abnu ang as a candidate I feel that you win at 7 or you win at 70 you will be called winner. So do not take politics too seriously because the shoes you are wearing today will not even fit after 2 years. So this is what I am going to tell. We should remain firm with our ideology, with our core ideology. We should not get diverted. That's what I will say.
Hage sarno ta kaja sumu taklani chongmari to balaino tumphla ja khan mono hage ba balaino serious ni mono atangi ngake kebo bai kebangma party badai thane hage tinini o je khanani counting result kebangma party no badai laija hage ba khanano srai ngi thanai maharashtra na harmo main tamo hage ba kubun party bai alliance ngi thanga gendor ni main step tam na har jangnai puilani
chini puila step tamo na hanai abo bogran saimanai the rules are set his decision will prevail and the thing is our Tipra motha we Tipra we talk about jobs health scenario education infrastructure chini jung mandir masjid no ti politics khaya we do politics where we need to do where our where there will be no societal problems jung chini naharmung kaisano tiprasa ni bahike hamkraing nai that is our core ideology.
Sate kaisa paitak sungmung media exit poll rong no tuile nang tam sanai
exit poll ni methodology wrong exit poll ni sample nazak mani onek size small borok kisi sa borok bai kok sawi se exit poll report sanam ja botak lai ni exit poll no ti ang agencies jara tongnai borok no ang sanamu sungo tai media rok no sanamu sungo chini media Bharat Bhaktoro in the entire country in the entire world we are ranked 150 in journalism. So this is the reason abo kaisa tradition ngi thanga exit poll report survey khane rokni borok election ni the last moment of hayo polling ni 2 din sekang hayo 2 din sekang phai borok ni survey office room survey they don't even get out of their closet office room mo tongi borok survey khayo de telephonic survey TS jeta hano telephonic survey khai borok chini tiprasa sabono vote rakha ba entire Tripura sabono vote rakha abo borok bahike saimanai they don't even come in front of the polling station. So exit poll bahike khana na tabo different agencies saka tribals ro 51% se support khai vote khai which is false. Abo sudu chini tiprasa eba tipramathani supporters rogna misguide khaina ni bagi se or exit poll report phunuk jago agencies rogni thani obuno kainai please come out of your closet come out of your AC room go to police station take maximum samples borok ni sample tamo 0.002% if I'm not wrong borok ni survey hangkai nung asuk sample bai kaisa polling station nung ekjon borok na sungma bai nung bahike exit poll ni report rima so that is absurd.